Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever thought about building a robot? What if you could build one, not out of plastic or metal, but almost entirely out of paper? Well, a team of researchers has created a comprehensive guide on how to do just that. Traditional robot building kits are fantastic for learning, but they're often expensive, made of plastic, and not very easy to customize. This research proposes a simple, yet brilliant alternative: paper. It's cheap, sustainable, and you can shape it into almost anything you can imagine. To figure out all the possibilities, the researchers analyzed dozens of existing robot kits and studies on interactive paper. They cataloged every way a user can interact with them, from pushing buttons and connecting pieces to using light and sound sensors. By combining these two worlds, they created what they call a design space for paper robots. Think of it as a giant menu of ingredients and recipes for designing your very own paper-based robot. The menu is broken down into two simple categories: input and output. Input is how you tell the robot what to do. You could fold or twist it, or use a sensor. Output is what the robot does in response. It could light up, change shape, or move. To prove their concept, the team designed and built several amazing examples. They started with a clever bookmark that lights up like a flashlight when you take it off the page. Then they made a Christmas card that folds into a light-up 3D tree. But perhaps the coolest example is the escaping takeout box. This little paper robot has an ultrasonic sensor, and when you put your hand near it, it vibrates and runs away on its own. They even created a modular system called the Paper Box Robot Kit. It has different cubes for power, speaking, spinning, and waving, which can be connected to form more complex robots. So, what does all of this mean? This research essentially creates a blueprint that anyone can use to invent new kinds of paper robots. It shows the huge potential of combining simple paper craft with electronics in clever ways. The possibilities for the future are really exciting. Imagine cheaper, more accessible, and more creative STEM learning kits. You could download a pattern, print it on some cardstock, add a few electronic parts, and build your own custom robot at home. It's a huge step towards making robotics more sustainable, affordable, and open to everyone's imagination.